Crash Course on Australian Economy, an examination of Australia's economic history and current economic status, including its place in the global economy. Sure, I'd be happy to provide a crash course on Australian economy. Australia is a developed country with a mixed market economy that has had steady economic growth over the past few decades. The Australian economy is the 14th largest in the world, with a GDP of $1.4 trillion United States dollars, and it has a high standard of living with a Human Development Index (HDI) ranking of 7th globally. Australia's economy has a strong reliance on natural resources, particularly minerals and energy, which make up a significant portion of its exports. Agriculture and services also play significant roles in the country's economy. The country has a highly skilled workforce, with a focus on education and innovation, and a strong social safety net that provides for a high quality of life for its citizens. One of the most interesting stories in Australia's economic history is the mining boom that began in the early 2000s. This period saw a significant increase in demand for minerals and energy, particularly from China, which led to a surge in prices for Australia's resources. The boom had a significant impact on the Australian economy, with increased investment in mining and infrastructure, and a boost to the country's GDP. However, the boom also led to a rise in the value of the Australian dollar, which made other industries, such as manufacturing and tourism, less competitive. Now let's move on to the top 12 Australian economic sectors. 1. Mining. Australia is one of the world's largest producers of minerals, including coal, iron ore, gold, and natural gas. 2. Agriculture. Agriculture is an important sector of the Australian economy, with crops such as wheat, barley, and sugar, and livestock including cattle and sheep. 3. Services. The services sector is the largest sector in the Australian economy, with subsectors such as tourism, education, and financial services. 4. Manufacturing. Despite a decline in recent years, manufacturing still plays an important role in the Australian economy, particularly in areas such as food and beverage production, pharmaceuticals, and machinery. 5. Construction. The construction sector has seen significant growth in recent years, driven by demand for infrastructure and housing. 6. Retail. Retail is an important sector of the Australian economy, with major players such as Coles and Woolworths dominating the market. 7. Education. Education is a significant export industry for Australia, with international students contributing billions of dollars to the economy. 8. Healthcare. The healthcare sector is growing rapidly, driven by an aging population and increasing demand for healthcare services. 9. Transport. Transport is an essential part of the Australian economy, with major ports and airports supporting the country's export industries. 10. Information and Communication Technology, ICT. The ICT sector is growing rapidly, with major players such as Atlassian and Canva emerging from Australia. 11. Creative industries. The creative industries, including film, television, music, and design, are an important part of Australia's cultural identity and contribute significantly to the economy. 12. Tourism. Tourism is a major industry in Australia, with attractions such as the Great Barrier Reef and Uluru drawing millions of visitors each year. In summary, the Australian economy has a strong reliance on natural resources, particularly mining and energy, but also has significant sectors in agriculture, services, and manufacturing. The country's skilled workforce, education system, and social safety net contribute to a high standard of living for its citizens. While there have been challenges in recent years, including the impact of the mining boom and the COVID-19 pandemic, the Australian economy remains resilient and continues to grow. And now, here's a poem about the Australian economy. A land of riches and resources untold. A country of mining, agriculture, and gold. With services and education, a skilled workforce. Australia's economy remains on its course. From wheat fields to mines, from ports to sea. From music to movies, Australia's creative industry. Innovation and technology, a growing sector. Australia's economy is one to remember. Though challenges have come, and crises have passed, Australia's economy remains steadfast. With resilience and strength, it's sure to endure. A country of riches, and a future secure. *****. We hope this video has given you a taste of all the incredible experiences Australia has to offer. If you're ready to start planning your own adventure to Australia, please ensure to use our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html?8=7989335 to book your flights, hotels, car rentals, local attractions, and more. It's an easy and kind way to support this channel and make sure you get the best possible deals on your trip. Thank you. Anhub Metaverse Team.